for greenhouses, Casey, can you finish up and kind of give us a summary, best things that we need to know about LED versus HID when considering supplemental lighting options for Michigan greenhouses?
Sure, absolutely. And these are kind of, retouches on stuff that, we've kind of already touched on. Obviously, in the energy components, how many watts per photon is a really key metric to know, to understand. The bigger your facility is, the more power you're going to be needing. Performance, are you looking for performance through a specific type of spectrum need? Or are you looking for performance, meaning how much can I control this fixture, and how fluid is that control? We know that with LEDs, we can, raise and lower the intensity pretty seamlessly without affecting the spectral composition. HID, you can raise and lower it, but you're severely diminishing the quality of the spectrum of which it's created for, while you're dimming, as well as putting a strain on the actual lamp itself. So there's a lot of differences in how you're able to control one technology compared to the other, as well as understanding the environmental impact. And I'm not necessarily talking about the environmental impact as well as how it affects the earth, but I'm talking about the internal greenhouse environment. So how does your lighting system affect your other key components of your system, whether your fans, your irrigation, your HVAC, ventilation, CO2, all the above? How does your lighting impact the rest of the system? Because it's a key component of your system. And a lot of times we end up getting lighting at the last portion. All of the ventilation's done, all the tables have been designed, everything's been done. Throw some lights in it, isn't it good? Okay, well, let's talk about the effect that it has on the rest of the system. And maybe you'll have to change this component. You might have to change this component because it's an integral part of the process. And so needing to understand that's key. And as a manufacturer, a lot of people have a couple different approaches. So whether they're trying to, say, compare my wattage from HID to LED, or compare photon density for the wattage or LED, it really just depends on the approach of the farmer, of how they're trying to light the facility and control the facility.